Hope you're doing fine. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can build a Shopify store from scratch and launch in one day, step by step, with no prior experience required. So, in this video, you will learn everything you need to start and build a launch a profitable Shopify store from scratch. You can walk through this video at your own pace or blitz through under an hour. So, without further ado, shall we do build a business? So this video, I'm gonna will contain some links in the bottom, so you can click on them, and we will receive small commission while you sign up for them. So let me get started. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can build a profitable and successful Shopify store. Whether you have a previous experience of Shopify or an e-commerce platform, or you are completely new, you will gain the skills and knowledge to do e-commerce the right way. So the platform we use here on Commerce Fly allows you to go at your pace, completing the lesson, and when you want to, whether you burn through it in a couple of days or progress over a few months, so you can track and revisit. So let me tell you, what is Shopify? Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage business. So you can create a customize an online store. You can sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, social media, online marketplaces, brick and mortar location, and pop-up shop. You can manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping. So Shopify is completely cloud-based and hosted, which means you don't have to worry about upgrading or maintaining software or web servers. So this gives you the flexibility to access and run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. So whilst there are other platforms available, none came close to Shopify in terms of ease of use, healthy ecosystem, integration, and manageability. So what you will need, aside from this video, you will just need a computer with an internet connection to build and time to build an e-commerce stores. So it's possible to use a tablet and even smartphone to achieve, but with the computer, you will give yourself the best chance. The good news is that Shopify is cloud-based. You don't need anything fancy, Windows or Mac. As long as you can browse the web, you'll be good to go. So let's get started. So how you can build a store. So in this video, we'll start the foundations of building your store. So as a big of a task that may sound, luckily we have tools to make it very manageable and more importantly, without having to use a single line of code. So first of all, you have to create an account. Okay, first thing, open the Shopify website, and we have mentioned it in the description too. In the field at the top of the home page, fill in your email address and click the button to get started. So if you have already Shopify account, you urge you to sign up again using the link in the description so you have a fresh account. This course will completely guide you everything, and there will be added bonus later if you successfully signed up using the link in the description. So once you have clicked on the get started button, you will need to provide a little more detail to get started. Then fill the password that you would like to use at the Shopify and the name of your store. Make sure to use the store name that you want. The address of your store will be based on it. It's just literally the store name. You don't want to put in www.com or anything like that. Note down password. You note down the password as you will need it again, and click the create your store button, and Shopify will start putting in place your store. So before we get into the admin, Shopify needs a few more details to complete the setup of your account. You need to fill your name, address, and telephone number. Then click the next button, and on the next page, you can provide Shopify with a bit more information about your business. Then you have to click on enter my store to finish. So then you will see the Shopify dashboard. Okay. So the left panel is where you will get manage everything, and the search at the top is useful when you have content great for finding artists or products, but not needed until you go live. So you have to choose a theme. The default theme is usually debut. So debut, and this is a strong theme to build an online store with. The moment you start to customize your store with logo, image, products, and color, it will come to life with no I know store will look alike. So there are premium theme and third party theme, but for now, we are just focusing on the important aspects of starting and building a shop with a great theme work. Checking out Debutify is which is also free. So customizing your theme. So in your Shopify admin on the left panel, scroll down to an online store and click it. Next, you will see the current theme along the purple button named Edit Store. So click that and you will be taken to the editor. So on the left is the section and theme setting. Setting are the sections are the building blocks of particular page. change depending on the page type you are looking at. The theme customization option, the page theme setting, control the font, colors, theme, function, checkout option. So on the right picture above is a preview. So this is where you can work on the store and pivot it in real time. So I suggest you to go through all the section and get to know your way around. So guys, this was it for today. Hope you learned something from this video. And if you have any doubts regarding creating a Shopify store, feel free to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any notification from our video.